Close-up end. When cutting long slotted parts, have you encountered the following issues? 1. The narrow strips get stuck often. It's hard for parts falling and requires manual operation. 2. Scrap may lift up and interfere with the cutting head easily, causing damages and losses. 3. Deformation at the end face after cutting. Compressed slots makes it impossible to insert the intended plates and delaying progress. TubesT close-up end solves the challenges of long slotted parts processing. Select close-up end. Click OK to take effect. Quick enclosure the slot, making it convenient for parts to fall. Reduce collision risks by minimizing cutting head damage for more efficient production. You may also add independent compensation to slots to ensure easy plate insertion. For partial cutting, you can check close-up slot opening. Set the distance between the slot and the end. Leave a short uncut section to avoid redrawing and boost efficiency.